Most people store lettuce the wrong way, causing it to wilt, become soggy, and end up in the trash after just a few days. But with just 5 simple tricks used by many chefs, you can keep lettuce fresh and crisp for up to a week, or even longer. Hello, and welcome back to Clever Tricks. In this video, I'll share the simplest and most effective ways to keep your lettuce green, crisp, and fresh for longer. Be sure to watch until the end, because I'll show you how to turn these fresh, crisp lettuce leaves into a simple, delicious, and appetizing salad. Method 1. Vacuum sealing. A simple trick to keep lettuce fresh, longer. First, choose fresh heads of lettuce with firm leaves, a vibrant green color, and a solid stem. Remove any bruised or wilted leaves. These are the leaves that absorbed impact during transportation and are also where bacteria grow the fastest. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Prepare a large bowl of water. Add a pinch of salt and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Stir until dissolved. Then soak the lettuce for about 10 minutes. The baking soda helps remove pesticide residues, while the salt helps reduce bacteria and remove insects clinging to the leaves. Be careful not to soak the lettuce for too long, as the leaves will absorb too much water and become soft more quickly. After soaking, rinse the lettuce thoroughly under clean running water to completely remove the soaking solution, along with any remaining dirt and impurities from the surface. Then, gently shake off the excess water or let the leaves drain before storing them. Now comes the most important step. Use paper towels or a clean towel to dry each leaf thoroughly, especially around the stem. This step determines how long the lettuce will stay fresh. Even a few drops of remaining water can cause the lettuce to become soggy and develop an unpleasant odor. Place the lettuce into a zip-top bag, arranging the leaves naturally without packing them too tightly. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Then use a drinking straw to remove some of the air from the bag. Remove just enough air for the bag to fit snugly around the lettuce. Do not suck out too much air, as this may bruise the leaves. Seal the bag tightly and store it in the refrigerator. Also, avoid storing it near apples, bananas, or tomatoes, as these fruits release ethylene gas, which causes lettuce to age more quickly and lose its crispness. With just a few minutes of preparation, you can keep your lettuce fresh and crisp for 7 to 10 days, making it convenient for preparing salads or meals throughout the week. In my opinion, this is one of the simplest yet most effective storage tips, and it's definitely worth trying at home. Method 2. Store lettuce like a bouquet of flowers. Have you ever thought about storing lettuce the same way you keep flowers in a vase? It may sound unusual, but it works remarkably well. Prepare a glass jar or cut off the top of a plastic bottle. Choose a container that matches the amount of lettuce you want to store. Pour about 3 to 5 centimeters of water into the bottom of the container. Place the stem end of the lettuce into the water, keeping the leaves intact if you're storing a whole head. Then place it in the refrigerator. Using this method, lettuce can stay fresh and crisp for 1 to 2 weeks, depending on its initial freshness. If the weather is cool, you can also keep it in a cool, well-ventilated place for a short time. Whenever you need some, simply take the amount you need, and the rest will remain as fresh as ever. pretty convenient, isn't it? Method 3. Storing loose lettuce leaves. Have you ever separated lettuce leaves in advance, only to find that after a few days in the refrigerator they had become wilted, soft, and no longer crisp? If that has happened to you, try this method. If the lettuce has just been brought home, first give the leaves a quick rinse under clean running water to remove any dirt and surface impurities. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Then soak the leaves in water with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of baking soda for about 10 minutes. The baking soda helps remove pesticide residues, while the salt helps eliminate bacteria and insects clinging to the leaves. After soaking, rinse the lettuce thoroughly under clean running water to completely remove the soaking solution, salt, baking soda, and any impurities that have been loosened. Then, gently shake off the excess water or let the leaves drain before using or storing them. Next, gently shake off the excess water. Then use paper towels or a clean towel to thoroughly dry each leaf, especially around the stem. This is the most important step. Even a small amount of remaining moisture will cause the lettuce to become soggy and spoil quickly. Once the leaves are completely dry, prepare a clean plastic or glass container. Line the bottom of the container with a layer of dry paper towels. Then place a layer of lettuce on top. Cover it with another layer of paper towels, then add another layer of lettuce. Continue alternating layers until the container is full. The paper towels will absorb excess moisture, keeping the leaves dry while preserving their freshness. Close the lid without sealing it too tightly so that a small amount of air can still circulate, then store the container in the refrigerator's vegetable drawer. Using this method, the lettuce leaves can stay crisp and green for 7 to 10 days, making it convenient to prepare salads or meals throughout the week. Method 4. Storing cut lettuce. If you usually cut lettuce in advance for later use, give this method a try. First, use a very sharp knife to cut the lettuce. A clean cut helps minimize bruising and keeps the leaves crisp for longer. Once cut, lettuce loses moisture more quickly, so proper storage is essential to prevent it from wilting. After cutting, prepare a clean plastic container and line the bottom with a layer of dry paper towels. Place the lettuce in the container, arranging the leaves gently so they are not crushed, then cover them with another layer of paper towels to absorb excess moisture. Here's a helpful tip. Don't seal the container completely. Leave the lid slightly ajar to allow a small amount of air to circulate, which helps prevent moisture from building up inside. If you prefer to divide it into smaller portions, you can also store the lettuce in separate zip-top bags. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Zip each bag almost all the way closed, leaving a small opening so air can still circulate. Finally, place the container or zip-top bags in the refrigerator's vegetable drawer. Using this method, cut lettuce can stay fresh and crisp for 5 to 7 days, making it convenient for preparing salads or cooking whenever you need it. Method 5. Make a fresh lettuce salad. Now that you know how to keep lettuce fresh and crisp, let's make a simple yet delicious salad. Take the container of lettuce out of the refrigerator, open it, and transfer all the lettuce to a large bowl. You'll notice that the leaves are still green, crisp, and as fresh as when they were first prepared. Next, add sliced cucumber, thinly sliced carrots, and diced tomatoes to the bowl with the lettuce. Now it's time to make the dressing. In a small bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice or apple cider vinegar, 1/2 tablespoon of honey, a pinch of salt, and a little ground black pepper. Stir well until the ingredients are fully combined into a lightly emulsified dressing. Drizzle the dressing evenly over the salad, then gently toss from the bottom up to coat all the vegetables without bruising the lettuce. In just a few minutes, you'll have a fresh, crisp, and colorful salad ready to enjoy. If you like, you can also add mayonnaise, boiled eggs, chicken breast, tuna, or a variety of nuts to make the salad even more flavorful and nutritious. If you're looking for a light, delicious meal that saves time, this is definitely a recipe worth trying. Which of today's 5 lettuce storage methods do you like the most? Let me know in the comments below. If you have any other great tips, feel free to share them so everyone can learn from them. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss more useful tips. Thank you for watching. Goodbye, and see you in the next video.